Okay, in this video, I'm going to go through how to divide polynomials, do polynomial division with the box method. So remember, this is kind of like multiplying with the boxes, but kind of backwards. So I'm going to make my boxes here. And I'm going to put x minus 3 over here. And I need to figure out what's going to go up here. So basically, I'm trying to figure out what needs to go up here to multiply with x minus 3 so that in here, in the boxes, I get x cubed minus 6x squared minus x plus 30. So I know that this box has to be x cubed. Your leading term of your original polynomial is always going to go in this box. So that tells me that this box needs to be x squared. And then I know that this is going to be something x. And then this is just going to be a constant. Okay. So now if I have x squared and a negative 3 here, then this box has to be x squared times negative 3. That's going to be negative 3x squared. Okay, now I need to start looking back at what I need to be getting in my boxes. Remember, ultimately, all these boxes should add up to this in the end. So I'm trying to figure out what goes up here to get that. So right now I have a negative 3x squared. I want to end up with a negative 6x squared total. And remember, these boxes, the diagonals this way, are going to be like terms. So this box is also going to be an x squared term. So I know this has to be a negative 3x squared as well, because I need to get a total of negative 6x squared. So I already had a negative 3x squared. I need another negative 3x squared. So if I know this box needs to be negative 3x squared, then this up here, to get negative 3x squared in this box, that has to be negative 3. So that's negative 3x up here. And then if I have negative 3x times negative 3, that gives me 9x. Okay, now I need to start looking at this term. I want to end up with a negative x. Remember, that's a negative 1x. So I want to get a negative 1x, and I have a 9x. So that means in this box here, remember the diagonals are going to be like terms. This box needs to be a negative 10x to add with my 9x to get negative 1x. So if this is negative 10x, then I know that this has to be negative 10 up here. If that's negative 10, then negative 10 times 3 gives me 30 for this box. And that's good because I wanted 30 at the end for my constant, and that's what I got. So now, if you look, all of these boxes should add up to x cubed minus 6x squared minus x plus 30. And this here is my answer. So my answer is x squared minus 3x minus 10.